Hello, привет, 你好. Now we're going to show you how to soldering a basic board. So what happened? This is a new solder. We try to get it ready for the first time. Set the temperature. We set the temperature to about 600 to 700 Fahrenheit because this is new solder, so we try to keep a little bit more to start with. So the board itself is a silicon board, as you can see, and then the solder we have is a permanent temperature solder, so it's give a little bit better grip. So before we start, since this is our first try, we put some soldering just to prevent it get oxidized. Remember, never let your solder run without soldering for too long, otherwise it will burn the surface and not good for the solder. So because it's the first time, so there are lots of smoke, and I would like to be preventive, so I'm gonna grab a mask. So those fumes are not good for health, so here I grab a mask with a breathing valve. So when you begin to work seriously, it's always a good idea to be preventive, so because all the chemical, physical, so basically mechanical and electrical tools, they can cause problem to your health, so you have to be aware of that. You may ask me why this doesn't get burned, because this is silicon. There's a special mat preventing to be overheated. So my thing is a little bit, I can tell it's a little bit loose now, so I want to tighten it up, so I need to find a wrench. So that's very typical for you begin to work on any project. You have one target, one goal in mind, but you may have many things come up. You need either more knowledge or more tools in order to finish them. So that's part of, if you want to do anything technical, you can see the fume. Those are not really good for your health. So if you can, get a glove, a mask. Okay, so right now you can see what's the issue. So since we're not connecting, so I'm gonna disconnect that. That's just for ground. So the issue in here, see that solder? Very poorly soldered, you see? So that's basically, this is a motion detection lights. It should turn on when people passing by, and this is the sensor. This is the sensor, this is the light. So sensor triggers that light. And right now I suspect it doesn't work. However, it's new, so I don't see anything obviously wrong. So I want to attempt to solder those. Obviously it's poor manufactured. Okay. So now bigger. Interesting. It's actually a yeah, it's a very special head. It's like a 3. See the angle? It's like 3 edge. So take it like this kind. Smaller. Smaller. Yeah, sometimes it can be quite a even simple thing can be more tricky than it looks. See, this is about the right kind. Okay. Now okay. If you use the wrong kind, it will ruin the screw, and yeah, that's not fun. Sometimes by that you can presumably it's fixed. Okay. Auto, off, on. Alrighty, thanks. Спасибо. 谢谢。